Getting your little one off to sleep in the summer months, or maybe when you're on holiday, can be difficult with daylight streaming in the nursery. Whether your child is a light sleeper or they needed the added comfort of a dark room, the Otia Snoozer portable blackout blind is the perfect solution. It's easy to install the blind. You must first prep the window by washing with soap and water, and then going on to dry with a lint-free cloth. The Velcro and sucker system make it simple to attach the blind. Pleat the excess material to fit the blind to your window. Press the suction cups for a secure seal. Do this around the corner of your window for a dark and cosy room for your little one. When removing, make sure not to pull directly on the blind, as this can cause damage to the glass. Gently pull the release tab on each suction cup to release. Fold the blind back into the travel bag to reinstall anywhere and at any time. Otia, the perfect blind for the perfect night's sleep.